Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Postbox to Office 365. Search on Google Recovery Tools Postbox Migrator. Click on Download. Convert your Postbox emails. Convert your Postbox contacts and calendars. Postbox data conversion options. Auto-detect Postbox data file. Manual selection of Postbox data file. Check the folder. Click on Office 365. If you are an admin, then you can choose I am admin option and map multiple user accounts. Click on Office 365 credential. Upload data to default folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. Activate the software here. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.